History Month quiz. It's time to test your history. Do you know Black history? Let's find out. Question: which African American musician is often called the King of Pop? Michael Joseph Jackson was born on August 29, 1958 in Gary, Indiana. He was an American singer, songwriter, dancer, and philanthropist. He is also known as the King of Pop. Did you know the answer to that question? How about these questions? Can you name the African American inventor known for the Super Soaker water gun? What historical event marked the end of slavery in the United States? Can you name the African American astronaut who was the first woman of color in space? We'll find out in the next video. Subscribe to learn more Black history.